Hi traders, in this video we are looking at what revenge trading is in Forex and how to stop it before it quietly drains your account. I'll explain the behavior in simple terms, give clear examples, and share practical steps you can use to break the cycle. Let's take a look at what revenge trading actually is. Revenge trading is when you trade to get back money you've just lost instead of following your plan. It usually shows up as jumping straight back into the market after a loss, increasing position size, or taking lower quality setups just to prove you're right or recover quickly. It usually occurs when you don't apply discipline in your forex trading and don't trade based on a defined set of rules for yourself. It happens to a lot of forex traders. Let me give a quick example. Let's say a trader takes a loss, feels angry about it, and immediately opens a new bigger position with weaker logic, telling themselves they know the market will turn. The thing about this is, most often than not, it ends up with you losing much more than you initially did, most often leading to feelings of regret. Let's take another example. Another trader who missed a move starts forcing entries on leads or marginal setups, chasing the charts because they can't bear seeing price move without them. At this point, we know what it is and how bad it can be. But how can we avoid or stop revenge trading? First, you have to recognize the warning signs. Instant re-entry after a loss, bigger size than usual, ignoring your checklist, or taking more trades per hour than normal. Then, build rules that creates a pace. A mandatory cool-off period after any sizable loss, a hard daily loss limit, and a maximum number of trades per session. Finally, anchor yourself to a written plan, fixed weeks per trade, predefined setups, and an end of day review so decisions come from structure, not emotion. You can read more about revenge trading, psychology, and practical ways to cut it out using the link in the description below. If this helped you put a name and shape to some of your own emotional trades, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your experiences or questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.